Hey guys, welcome back. We recently posted to Facebook that we had made some keychains for Stick It to Cancer in town here. And a lot of you are asking how to make these keychains. So today I have Wilson and Mackenzie with me, and I'm going to show you how. So for this project, you're going to need 2 feet of a base color and just a couple inches of an awareness color. So I've got baby blue and autism awareness. And then you'll also need a little split ring keychain and a type 3 fid.
And then mine's for breast cancer awareness, so I'm using white and rose pink.
And mine is in support of the troops, so I'm using veterans and yellow.
All right, let's dive in. All right, so we'll start by cutting off about 2 feet of each of our base colors. So we can measure it out on the mat here. Who's ready for the scissors? Oh, sure. Yeah, I can just cut it.
24th there.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Yeah, mine's right there.
All right, so then with our 2 feet, we're just going to fold it in half. And put it down through the top of our keychain. And then we'll just take our keychain and put it through the loop. That's our cow hitch base. Then we're going to turn it upside down, or this way, so our cords are going up. And we'll just measure out about 2 inches. And that's when we're going to start our Cobra Weave. So we'll bring our right side and make a loop going across the top. Then we'll bring that left side down over that right side cord, and then around the back and up through the loop. And then tighten that dot down. You want it to be about 2 inches long. All right, so now we're just going to do the opposite of that. So left side over the top, right side down, and around the back and up through the loop. Then we're just going to keep on alternating with that knot until we reach the keychain.
I'm so used to making a Cobra Weave with something on the other end as well, so it's new for me to just do it kind of freebase like this, but this is definitely an easy weave, so once you've done it before, you can do it as many times as you need without something on either end or not.
Nothing like craft time for adults.
Exactly.
Always good to use
It's
a little
fun,
bit
though.
of muscle memory.
All right, I just barely had enough.
I might have
Yeah, mine's getting towards the end here too.
been uneven on mine a little bit.
Just maybe a little bit more than 2 feet. All right, so once we're done with our keychain base, we can just clip the ends and melt them with our lighter before moving on to the awareness ribbon. Careful, just don't let it fly.
Uh-oh. There.
Running out. So now we're going to take a little bit of our ribbon color. And it should already have somewhat of a melted end, but if it doesn't, you might need to fix that a little bit. We're just going to screw our fid onto the end. This is a type 3 fid made especially for 550 Paracord. And then we're going to start on the bottom left side of the keychain. On the keychain on top. And I'm just going to bring it through one of our back loops. It's one of the loops on the bottom of the keychain. just bring a couple inches through. Then I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crossbars from that. We want it slanting to the right. And I'm just going to bring it down through that towards the left. You can pull that all the way through. All right, and then we're just going to cross it over to the right side and bring it through that front loop that's directly opposite our left loop. You just want to make sure there's no twists in your cord before you pull it tight. And then we're just going to do the same thing that we did for the base color and cut the ends just about 1/8 inch away from the keychain. And then melt the ends with our lighter. And there's our finished awareness ribbon keychains. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. This is a great way to support causes around you and bring awareness to some things that people might not know about. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. There's our finished awareness keychains. That was harder than it needed to be to say.